To choose random integers in MATLAB, we use the command randi. Okay, so it looks like this, and as always in MATLAB, you can get information about any command by typing in help and then the name of the command. So for example here, you can see there's lots of information. Up at the top it says what it considers the most common uses of it, and then it gets more specialized as you go on, then it gives some examples. So just as an example, say I do randi 10. So what did that do? That chose a random integer from 1 to 10. So in certain programming languages, it might start at 0. Lots of times 0 is the convention for where to start, but in MATLAB, it starts at 10. So if you don't believe me, there's an easy way to test it out. If I do randi 10, and then how about 4? What that's going to do is give a 4 by 4 matrix of random integers from 1 to 10. Okay, let's try it again. So you can see we get numbers 1 to 10, but we never get a 0. Okay, or we could have read the documentation, and in the documentation it says it goes from 1 to this first entry that I've given it, 1 to Imax, where here's the Imax. So the fact that they make it so easy to make a matrix of random integers, that's one of the things that's special about MATLAB, is it's very much optimized to work with matrices. So if you want to make a 4 by 4 matrix of random integers, whereas in another programming language, maybe you'd have to use a nested for loop to get that, here it's just typing these 10 or so characters, and then you get it. So I can also choose different shapes. So for example, if I do 10, 4, 3, okay, then what do I get? I get a 4 by 3 matrix of random integers from 1 to 10. Okay, similarly, what if I do 4, 10, 3? What does that do? That gives me a 10 by 3 matrix of random integers from 1 to 4. And one thing that will be useful for us pretty often is putting the first two into brackets. Okay, so what is this going to do? What this does is it specifies not that you want random integers from 1 to 4, now it's saying I want random integers from 4 to 10 inclusive, and then this 3, that says 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, if I did 3 by 7, okay, then that gives me a 3 by 7 matrix of random integers from 4 to 10.